Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the ringtone in Google Meet so you can customize your meeting experience. Start by opening your browser and heading over to meet.google.com. This is where you can start or join any meeting. Once you're on the site, go ahead and start an instant meeting. This will open up the meeting interface where all the settings are available. Inside the meeting, click on the three-dot menu to open more options, then select Settings. In the Settings panel, look for the Reactions tab. From there, click on Sound. Here, you'll find different ringtone and notification sound options. Browse through them, select the one you like, and test it to make sure it fits your preference. Once you've chosen your sound, it will be applied to your Google Meet notifications. And that's it. You've successfully changed your ringtone in Google Meet. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next one.